Hi friends, my name is Sarita and I welcome you to my channel Quest, a journey to simple life. Today we'll try to understand what is data science and its job scope in the market. Data science is basically related to managing huge set of data and adding value to it. The process of data science enhances the data through various experiments and makes it more informative and effective for use. These days, big organizations have started including data science as its mainstream job as it helps them manage huge data in no time. Data management is not an easy task to do, but through data science, the process of retrieving effective data for research and development has become more efficient. These data helps the company to retrieve large set of data through statistical and analytical skills. Once the data is received, they use it to tackle various business processes and its challenges. Data science, in combination with advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and programming skills, has made the process the best in the market. Today, the demand for data science jobs are increasing, but when it comes to supply at the same time, there are very few resources. Data science courses can be done by any science or engineering graduate who has interest in learning new technology. Today, a lot of candidates are not aware about the rising demand of these technologies in the market. Each one sticks to be either a doctor or engineer after science graduation, but the fact is the world has gone too far from what you thought is the reality. Data science people are extremely paid well and the salaries are really rewarding. Top companies in the industry want such people on board as slowly each and every company, whether it's IT, healthcare, finance, etc., each one is adopting it. Some of the best jobs into data science is data scientist, data analyst, machine learning engineers, business analytics, data engineer, etc. The best online course into data science is offered by Coursera, Udacity, Udemy, Simply Learn, EDX, etc. These courses will not only help you to understand the subject well, but also open wide range of opportunities in the corporate world. So don't wait, just choose the right course for yourself and increase the chances of getting the best opportunities in MNC. I hope this information was helpful. If you like the content and want me to make more videos on such topics, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon below so that you don't miss any of the notifications. Thank you so much.